Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raisen and we share amazing fashion and style videos, fitness, grooming and occasional vlogs on this channel. And today in this video, I will tell you why dental hygiene is important when it comes to fashion and style. Guys, today's video fall into the grooming category of this channel. So if you are new to this channel, see that you subscribe, like the video because it is going to be a very interesting video guys, and share it with your friends and family. And especially share it with your boyfriends and your girlfriends because this video is for men and women as well because everybody has teeth. Guys, let me ask you a question. When did you last visit your dentist? I'm asking you. Is it 1 year ago? Is it 2 years ago? Guys, I'll tell you when most people come to know that they have a dental problem. People come to know that they have a dental problem when they first get into a relationship. It is the first time that you have to be very close to the partner. And your partner is the person who comes to know that your mouth stinks. Now this happens with people who don't know that they have a dental problem. But some guys, they already know that they have a dental problem, which stops them from getting into a relationship in the first place. So guys, now it's about time to change the way you look at your dental hygiene. Join me as I tell you 4 compelling reasons to prioritize your dental health and embrace confidence and pain-free smile for years to come. Number 1. Smiling with your mouth closed or a hand on your mouth. Yes guys, now because you know that you have a dental problem, you are afraid to open your mouth and laugh or smile. And now you can't even enjoy the moment properly. And now since you can't even smile properly, you attract negativity in your life. You attract guilt, which will also affect your lifestyle. Guys, many people become introverts because they have bad dental issues that can be easily fixed. And now they prefer not to meet and greet anybody because they are afraid that other people might notice. Which brings us to the next point. Number 2. Lose confidence. Yes guys, when you have dental issues, you tend to lose confidence to face people. When you go for a party or when you are traveling where you have to sit close to each other. And when suddenly somebody asks you something. And now you don't even want to answer and open your mouth because you are afraid of being judged. Now you are not even confident to go for a job interview. Even though you know that you are capable of getting that job. Your confidence holds you back because you know that you have a dental issue which can be easily fixed by going to a dentist, which you don't want to because you are afraid. Number 3. Having eating problems. Guys, when you have dental problems, eating can be uncomfortable and painful. And now when you go for a party, you avoid eating your favorite food that you love just to avoid that pain that you will get after eating that food. And most of you guys who have a dental problem, you guys know that it hurts to have a dental problem, because that pain is right in your mouth and you can't avoid it. Number 4. This is my favorite guys. Your breath stinks. Guys, some people don't even know that their breath stinks. They go for a job interview, they don't get selected. They smile with confidence and show their dental hygiene, which alerts people to stay away from them. So people try to stay away from this type of people. They eat what they want and get pain in their tooth. And then they complain that they have a toothache. Everybody around him knows that he has a dental problem. But still, he or she doesn't care about it. He or she complains that they can't get into a good relationship. And by chance, if they get into a good relationship and when they go very close to their partner, his partner is the one who finally breaks the ice and lets him know and alerts him that he has to visit a dentist. You guys can avoid this embarrassment guys by going to a dentist beforehand. Guys, all these things can be avoided by visiting your dentist regularly. The more regular you are, the more cost effective it will be for you. It is an investment for excellent smile, fresh breath, confidence and no eating problems. Investment to be pain-free and long-term tooth health. Understanding the significance of dental health not only improves your quality of life but also serves a cost-effective investment in your overall health and well-being. And guys, just by going to the dentist is not going to help you at all because you need to have a proper dental hygiene routine as well. So now in this video, I will give you 7 tips to include in your dental hygiene routine. Number 1. Brushing your teeth 2 times a day, morning and evening. First thing when you get up in the morning and last thing before you go to sleep. And see that you don't eat anything after you are done with your brushing in the evening. Number 2. Do flossing. Yes guys, add this in your dental hygiene routine because there are some things and some places where your brush cannot reach. So that is the time you'll have to use the flossing method to take those things out which are stuck in those hidden gaps. Number 3. Clean your tongue regularly to avoid bad breath. It looks like a small problem, guys, but sometimes it is the tongue which is smelling. So clean your tongue regularly as well and add that in your dental hygiene routine. Number 4. Use a toothpaste which will suit your teeth, and you will have to ask your dentist which toothpaste is best for your teeth. So go ahead and ask him that. Number 5. Proper vitamin C intake for good gum health. Guys, sometimes if you have gum problems, then it can be an issue with low vitamin C intake. So your dentist will be the best guy to help you out with this. Number 6. If your teeth are in bad alignment, then see that you use aligners to align them, because now you don't have to put those ugly looking braces. These aligners are transparent and you can't even make out that you are wearing them. And once your teeth are aligned nicely and properly, your face will automatically start to look good. And guys, number 7. Visit your dentist at least one time in every 6 months. And do the cleaning of your teeth every time you see him, because the plaque that builds up in your teeth looks horrible and it adds up to the bad breath, guys. And if you feel any pain or if you feel that you have any dental problem, then visit your dentist as soon as possible. Guys, take care of your dental health because it adds up to the grooming and it helps to leave a lasting impression. So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and especially with your boyfriends and your girlfriends, so that when you get into a good relationship, you will not have to face all these problems which I have told you previously in this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fanan signing out. Until we meet again.